How to fill out daily check-in using the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the app's dashboard. Once you are on the home page, tap the Daily Check-in button. From the Daily Check-in page, you can start by answering the following question. First, how many hours of sleep did you get last night? Slide the slider button to the right to indicate your answer. Second, how are you feeling today? Tap any of the available emojis to express your mood. Third, how would you rate your energy level today? Tap the stars based on your energy level. Note, you may need to scroll down to view the remaining questions. Fourth and last, would you like to provide any additional comments? Type them in the box provided below. Note, for the last question, your coach can assign as many unique questions as they want to each client. After answering all the daily check-in questions, tap the Save Check-in button at the upper right-hand corner. A green confirmation will appear at the top of the screen, indicating the successful logging of your well-being. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.